In this video, we're taking a deep dive into LinkedIn job search. Yes, LinkedIn is more than just a social network. So let's get started. So I've logged into my LinkedIn account on the browser on my desktop, but you could also use the LinkedIn app on your iOS or Android device. So the first thing we're going to do is take a look at the Jobs tab. So if I go over to Jobs, so breaking down the Jobs dashboard area here, on the left we have navigation. In the middle we have suggested job searches and recommendations based on my job title. And on the right they have job seeker guidance and help improving hiring. So going over the left side here, we have something called My Jobs. And if I were to click on that, you would see any of the jobs that I have saved, which is 0 for me. And we also have my learning, saved items, and also saved posts and articles. Let's go back. Under the job alerts, again, I don't have anything. I'll be setting this up in this video to show you how to do it. But basically you search for a job, then you can save that job and you'd get alerts whenever a job matches your search. Under the Demonstrate Skills tab, you can scroll down here and take a skill assessment. I haven't played around with the transferable skills. It seems to be in beta, so you can look at that at your leisure. Let's go back. Another item here that they have is called Interview Prep. So in here, you can do a practice about an interview, and they list out common questions that you might be asked during the interview process, which is really cool. And I have some premium features because I have a premium LinkedIn account. And so I get access to different things that you might not have access to if you are on a free LinkedIn account. Another option that I have is Premium Resume Insights. So I could submit my resume and they can give me insights on formatting issues, possible keyword changes, and more information like that. Next, they have Job Seeker Guidance. So if you are looking to improve your LinkedIn profile, you want to get a referral, how do I do that? There are some learning tools that you can get from LinkedIn Learning. Now let's get into the suggested job searches. Now this is going to be different based on what your job title is than what my job title is. But to search for a specific keyword in a job, you could search by title, skill, or company. If you have a specific company that you're interested in working for or with, you can do that search here. But let's do search by title and let's do executive protection. And they'll give you some suggestions based on what other people have searched for or other things that might match more correctly in what the jobs that they have. So we have executive protection, which is what I'm searching for, executive protection officer, security officer, executive protection specialist, and executive protection professional officer. So let's do executive protection specialist. And we didn't specify a state, so it assumes the entire United States. And it'll give you close matches to what you're searching for. And again, this is also based on your job title that's connected to your LinkedIn profile. So you might get different results than I am. But one of the things that you can do is go up here in these filters and select experience level. So you might want to do entry level or associate and then show those results versus the default results that you get. You can also do it filter by date posted. So you'd probably want to do something in the past week and show that result. And if you have a specific salary that you're interested in working for, let's pick 80,000. We can show those 7 results. And again, you can specify a company based on the results that we're seeing here. And you can also filter out if you want to work hybrid or remote or on site. You can go into all filters and it will list out everything. So you can pick and choose which ones you want. That's probably the easiest way to do it. Our last option here is to reset all of our filters. So let's go ahead and do that now. Click reset. Now what that'll do is remove all of our filters here, but it's still kept in what we are searching for. Let's go ahead and change that up a little bit. And we're going to search for executive protection in quotes so that it's specifically looking for that phrase in the job. And again, we'll keep it to the United States and click search. So now we have executive protection administrator, executive protection agent. So let's look at this executive protection agent that's actively recruiting right here, and it has that easy apply, and it's got 11 applicants so far. It's in Santa Barbara, so let's click on that. Over on the right hand side, you'll see more details about that particular job. So as we go down the right-hand side of this job, we can see we can meet the hiring team. This is Courtney C. She works for Black Box Security. Now, this is a premium feature. So one of the things that I suggest that if you're seriously looking for a job through LinkedIn Job Search is to upgrade to a LinkedIn Premium account so that you get more information about the job and the company so that you can make a better decision on whether or not to work for that company. Obviously, you'll get to know what the job entails, what your duties would be, what other requirements are required, and what the benefits would be of this job. Another thing you get from the premium is how I match personally to a job like this. So I have one skill on profile, executive protection. I'm missing 9 skills. So that's something that I might have to work on personally. So it gives you feedback on how you're matching with this job. The other option that you have here is to learn a little bit more about the applicants who are applying for this job. Not specifically, but are they senior level, entry level, VP level, or director level? And also application education level, and where in the world are these applicants from? And the last bit here, and it's probably one of the most vital things, is information about the company that you're potentially looking to work for. What are the hiring trends? They have a total of 54 employees, and they've growing 38% over the 2-year span. And you can get to see that right here. And the median employee tenure is 2.3 years. And I can show more premium insights by clicking on Show More Premium Insights, and it will take me over to their page on LinkedIn. And I get to see employee distribution and headcount growth. Where are they growing? Military and protective services in the last 6 months is up 8%. Year over year, it's up 17%. So that might be something that I'm interested to learning more about. And of course, while you're on this page, if you're really serious about learning more about this company, you can follow the company, visit their website, look at the people who are working at this company. Perhaps you're already connected with them and you can reach out and learn more about the company from them. Going back to the job, there's 2 things you can do here. One is for this particular job, you can save it, and that will show up under the My Jobs section. And the other thing you can do is set an alert. So if I turn on set an alert for executive protection in the United States, if I turn that on, it'll say your job alert was created. And then I can go over to manage alerts, open up in a new tab. So we now have my job alert here, and you're going to get a daily email and notification. And if I click on that, I can go in here and I can change the alert frequency, maybe more reasonably would be weekly, and probably just email. I don't need to see both. And then I can click save. Your other option here is to go ahead and delete the job alert if you'd like to. Let's click save and click done. So now we're back on the job dashboard page, is what I'd like to call it, under the jobs tab here on LinkedIn. If I go to my job alerts, you'll see here I now have executive protection. So that was a look at LinkedIn Job Search, more than just a social network. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you click the like button. And if you're interested in more videos like these, more business related or secure transportation related, be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about this video or other videos that we've done, post them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.